When it comes to safety, Volkswagen doesn't seem to compromise. In fact, when Global NCAP started Safer Cars for India initiative, Volkswagen Polo was among the first batch of cars tested. It scored a shocking 0-star rating as the base variant was offered without airbags. Volkswagen immediately made dual airbags as standard across Polo range. Retest gave Polo an impressive 4 stars in adult protection and 3 stars in child protection. Recently, Global NCAP tested Volkswagen Tiguan and Skoda Kushaq under their new protocols and both of them scored 5 stars. Tiguan and Kushaq are based on MQB AOIN and so are Virtus and Slavia sedans. When Latin NCAP tested Virtus, which is sold as new Virtus in South America, it scored 5 stars as well. It is to be noted that testing protocols of each NCAP entity vary based on market norms. That said, there is not much variation between them. New Virtus sold in Latin America is considered to be vastly similar to Virtus that we have in India. The test vehicle is said to be based on MQB AOIN and had 6 airbags. Footwell area of Volkswagen Virtus was rated as stable and symmetrical between both driver and passenger sides. Mainly, car's body shell was rated as stable and capable of withstanding further loadings. Side impact, head, abdomen and pelvis protection was good according to Latin NCAP. Chest protection was adequate as well. Auto emergency braking side pole impact revealed that head, abdomen and pelvis protection was good and chest protection was marginal as well. UN R32 test protocol revealed that Virtus meets rear impact structure requirements too. ABCT tests show that the car offers ABCT meeting Latin NCAP technical and availability requirements. Rescue sheet is available according to Latin NCAP criteria. It should be noted that India spec Virtus doesn't get ADAS features. It misses out on active safety systems like auto emergency braking, which Latin spec new Virtus came with. When crash test on our soil by NCAP or Bharat NCAP, Virtus scores could be different.